Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone and welcome back to Daily Doodles. So today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Chrissy from season 4 of Stranger Things. So before we get started, please feel free to leave a like and leave a comment and let me know what kind of stuff you would like to see me draw or what kind of stuff you would like to learn how to draw. And if you haven't yet subscribed, I would love if you would. Alright, so to draw Chrissy, I usually start drawing characters with the eyes. But will I use a pencil? No, I'll switch with the pen. Alright, so I'm going to start like this. It's going to be a bit of a strange shape at first. Very angular. This is, these are just itty bitty eyelashes here now that I'm drawing. And this is coming to a point, this part. And this is coming downward to another point. But then underneath, we're doing a bottom part here, and a lash, and another lash. Okay, so that all looks silly, but it'll come together in the end. So I'm gonna color all of this in black right now. Okay, and now we're going to do the inside part of the eye. So we can do a oval shape here, and then another one, and an inside shape too. And we're going to color that one in all black. All right, so now we can do a little line up here and an eyebrow. Next, we're going to do the other eye and a nose. So we got a bit of a, almost like a wave really. If it were this way, it would just kind of look like a wave or a mountaintop. And now the second eye is starting to form here, the top is. And then it's going to look very similar to this one, only just kind of like the mirror image of it, just the reverse. So this we can color in all black. And we can do the inside part of the eye. Like that. And the bottom part, same as we did on the other side. So a line, and then we want those two thick bottom eyelashes. All right, so now let's do that little curve here and the other eyebrow. And we can do some lips. Like that. And let's do the shape of the face. So we're just kind of slanting downward and curving outward. We're going to do a bit of a cheek here now. And then we're coming in to a chin. And then over on this side, We're slanting downward to meet up with that pointed chin part here. All right, so let's see, we can do some of her hair now. We can start with the bangs. She's got some swoopy bits here. And her bangs are all just coming down here in front of her forehead. And then this part here is like a bigger chunk. And we got a few little wispy bits here. And same on the other side. All right, so now let's do an ear. So just a little curved shape here, and we can do the inside of it. So a little upside down U shape and another little curve in here. And we can do a circle for her earring. And let's see. We're going to do the head shape here now. So we're curving. And then we can draw pieces of hair. Her hair's back in a ponytail, so they're all going to be swooping this way. Back towards where her hair elastic would be, her scrunchie. And then we can do a wavy blobby bit here for a scrunchie. And her ponytail. Okay, so I'm going to do a bit more ponytail, but I want to do a bit more of Chrissy first. All right, so let's do a bit of a neck here. And then I'm going to put a line slanting down this way. And now this way. And we can do a little line slanting that way too. And then we can do a bit of a V-neck here. And now we're going to do a line coming downward like this. And on this side as well. All right, so I'm going to do another line coming down this way. And right here, we're going to do a little bit of a bumpy spot. And then we're coming on down again. And right here, we're going to do another V shape. And we can put lines going all through here. And she's got a necklace. So we got a little V shape here. And she's got an itty bitty necklace with, I believe it's got a year on it. I want to say 86. So we can put a little 86 there, but pretty tiny, so it's only a little itty bitty necklace. And slant upward and then down. And we've got like an oval shape here. And we can do an H and another H here. And then there would be an S, but running out of room, and that's okay. So I'm going to do a little bumpy spot right here. And then bring this line downward. And another one. And a line right there. Now over right here, let's see. We're going to do a line this way and slanting downward. And then I'm going to put a few lines right here. And now let's finish that ponytail. And do a few little swoopy bits here. Make her hair look like it's a bit thicker. And right here on her arm, we've got a stripe and another stripe. And we'll do another one too. All right, so we're done our sketch, and now I'm going to get started with the coloring. All right, folks, so we're all finished our picture of Chrissy. I hope you guys like this kind of anime version of Chrissy. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to learn or see how to draw next. And I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everyone, goodbye.